Best regards. My name is Jason Bermeo. I am from the municipality of Paicoluila. I am a student of environmental engineering, currently working in the fields as a coffee producer. Step 5. Let's talk about keeping in the environment. Tutorial. Ways to save water. 5 ways to save water and money. Fix water leaks. Install efficient toilet. Take shorter shower. Wash full load. Thank you.